So, hello, welcome to my channel. So, today I'm going to be sharing how AirTags, how it saves the day, like how you can really enjoy these AirTags and how it can really save you a lot of stress. So, I'll be sharing how you can as well use this AirTag. And one of my videos, I talk about traveling hacks, how you can really make do of these AirTags, and I'll be breaking it down how important these AirTags, how they can really be a lifesaver for you. So, and today I decided to be shooting outside because I'm trying to test my Holy Land Mac voice cancelling. I want to see how effective or how good is it to shoot outside, because I bought it because of it has this voice cancellation, like you don't get to be distorted with the noise from outside when you're shooting. So that's why I'm trying to make this video outside today. So thanks for watching. So last week my daughter accidentally left a bag or forgot a school bag in a train in Berlin on her way to school. So she was so sad, she was down throughout the day. So I just told her, oh, since it was in the S-Bahn, we're gonna find it. Just stay calm, stay cool, don't panic, just we're gonna find it. So she was relaxed. So to fast forward, yeah, so I decided, okay, let's just track it, and maybe we'll try to call the train customer care service or whatever, Lost and Found. Maybe they will have it, or maybe they'll find. So we decided to wait for like 4 days. So I tried to register for Lost and Found online, like but the ones I saw that they had is close to there is a black bag that is close to whatever she was having. It's not matching, so I knew they don't have it online or somewhere. So after 5 days, I decided to visit the Lost and Found, because if you misplace something in the train, there's a Lost and Found in Berlin where you can just go and pick it up. So I decided to go to Lost and Found to ask for this particular bag, if there's any means if someone dropped it or they have it with them. So on getting there, I was there. I went there in the known. So I got there, like I asked the lady, like, oh, I'm looking for this bag. So she asked me to describe. So I described the bag color. She was asking me if I can still remember the brand. But unfortunately, I can't remember the brand. But so I did explain what was in the bag. So she went in, and sad news, she came back and told me, oh, we don't have your bag in our storage. Probably it's missing. They said, I'm not sure the school bag will be missing, because she has a school card, a train ticket, ID, everything in her wallet. So I think anyone that must have find it and give it to Lost and Found or whatever, like who wants to take a kid's school bag, like so. Fast forward, so I have to leave. Like then I left. Like, okay, there's nothing I can do. She says it's not there. What can I do? So I have to leave. So, but leaving that place and stepping out for like 500 meters, then I got an alert on my find on my phone. My phone says I just left the bag behind, because I put on the tag, like on the find, like if I'm away from the bag, except from home, it should always give me alert. So I knew that bag was, and it was pointing to that Lost and Found, the same address, like it was pointing to it. So what I did, okay, I just showed, okay, I said, oh, I was relieved because I knew that bag was there. But what I really gained from this is I totally forgot that there was an AirTag that I always dropped in the kid's bag, so that because of in a case like this, so it was, I didn't even know all this why to even track it, but until when I left that place and I got an alert that the bag was somewhere behind, so I know that bag was there. So I just pounced in, I went back and I asked, oh, I met another woman. So I explained, oh, my daughter lost the bag sometimes in the train last week, and I'm here to retrieve it. And I told her, with my with my Apple AirTag, it's pointing that the bag is lying in your storage, in you guys' storage. So the woman checked. So what really goes wrong was that when I first went, the name they put, because she has 3 names: first name, middle name, and surname. So they didn't put the surname; they only put her first name and middle name. So I gave them the 3 names. So the lady was looking for it with that 3 names with the surname, but it was registered on her name and middle name. So that was the problem, and that was why she couldn't fetch, or she couldn't locate the bag in the first place. So when I got there, what I did was I had to ring the AirTag. So the AirTag was beeping, and I was happy I could hear the beep from wherever I was to wherever they kept the bag. So the woman just went straight to where it was beeping, and yeah, she just fetched the bag, and yes, and she handed it over to me. Even like the way Germans will still do their second factor authentication, she still asked me for my ID, like she tried to like, okay, what are the items in the bag? So I had to like, okay, this is what was in the bag, and so she ended up giving me the bag, and everybody was happy. So like the fact about the AirTag is it can really save you a lot, because I saw a whole lot of people there yesterday that they were also looking for their bag, lost items, or because there's no tracker, there's no way they can know if their bag is there. And some people, they have their things, they have their bags, their bags or whatever in that Lost and Found, but because of mismatching information, they are unable to get it. Like maybe they register it on another name and they are asking on another name. So those are the things. So we always have to make sure we have to make sure we always have our AirTag on our padlocks, bag, traveling boxes. It's always save the day. So that was how the AirTag was able to save the day. So, and I really appreciate you for watching. And I'm going to say thank you for watching, and we appreciate if you give us thumbs up and you support us so that we're able to give you more tips and hacks on how to go about life. So you can always hit me up if you have any questions or whatsoever. I'm happy to answer you. So see you in my next video. That'll be episode. Ciao. Hola. See ya.